Hi there, it's Sam from Pootles.co.uk. Thank you very much for joining me today. Today's project is this one. It's a hanging treat back for your Christmas tree and it's made with minimal supplies. I love it. I love to put things on my trees. I don't know what theme my Christmas trees are going to be this year. I might possibly have 4 full-size trees in my house and they do kind of have a theme, but you know, maybe there's going to be gold in there, maybe there's going to be red. I'm not sure, but gold and red and foil kind of goes with everything. I just love it. So I wanted to show you how to make it. And like I say, ideal to hang on your tree if you want, or you could tie a different bow and it could be a table favour because that's not taking up an awful lot of space. It's only a 1 3/8 of an inch that way and that way, 3.5 centimetres by 3.5 centimetres. Not taking up too much space at all. Okay. Need a piece of paper that is 6 by 6 inches, 15.25 by 15.25 centimetres, and if you have got a pattern where you are reading it, start with that way up. So I've got this. Oh, I love this sheet. This is the sort of the newsprint one. So these are the adverts here, and then oh, I just love it. I think it's fabulous. But you want it the right way up for when you're first scoring. So score it at 1 3/8 of an inch, 2 3/4. 4 1/8 and 5.5 inches. So in metric we're 3.5, 7, 10.5 and 14, and then turn it to the right to score at the bottom of what will be that sheet at 1 3/8 of an inch. So 3.5 centimetres. And the height of it, 4 5/8 of an inch tall, 11 3/4 inches tall. So let me burnish up this. This is really easy. The paper is doing all the hard work for you. If you haven't got this paper, head to my online store and buy it now. It's beautiful. You get half of it is gold foiling, half of it is red foiling, and the reverse is black and white. So, oh, I've got a German recipe here. Love that. You see, I could sit here and read all of this all day long. I won't, because that would not make for the most exciting of videos. But yes, you've got black and white on one side and you've got red and white foiling, or gold and white, and again with the black and white. Right, so let me turn it this way round so I'm not battling reflection. So I've got a thin skinny bit here. I'm going to take away the bottom rectangle and then cut up the other 3 remaining straight lines, and I'm just going to cut away the knobbly bit where the score line was. Let's get a better pair of scissors. The score line had to go right where this vertical printed line was, didn't it? Okay. And then I'm going to remove this rectangle completely. And then I'm just going to take a little whisper off the top. Okay, so that's all the scoring you need to do. I'm going to put adhesive down here and I'm going to pinch it to close and get my shape that way. So that's the back. Am I going to make that my front? No, I want that as my front. So yeah, that's the one I want as the front. So 2 sides in and the back, and then this last one will become the front. And then if you just pinch there and grab either side, it's small enough that you should be able to get it either side, so just pinch it. We could leave it like that and have a flat front. I don't want to do that, so I'm going to do exactly the same the other side. Grip there and pinch down, and that's how you get this sort of star shape at the top. So again, there's my front. And I'm going to get a now retired punch, but it's a little hole punch, and punch either side. And I'm going to get my ribbon. So this is actually Poppy Parade. This is a bit more of a bluey red, but it's okay. I just want a red ribbon with a gold trim. Feed that through. And what I'm going to do first is tie a knot to close it there. And then I'm going to pull both bits up to determine how long I want my loop to be. You can make it as long or as short as you want, depending on where you're hanging it, I would guess. If you've got a tree with branches that have got lots of separation between them, have a longer loop. If you haven't got so much space, shorter loop. Right. It's pretty. It's pretty like that, to be fair. This one was a little bit plainer. But what I've got now is I've got the Memories and More cards that are from the same suite, so they're designed to go. And these are gorgeous, so actually, you know what? Don't need that, it's the backing. So these are for journaling, or they fit on the front of cards. So there's loads of them, all double, well, most of them are double-sided, actually. The foiled ones are not. They're not double-sided, but all the rest are. All double-sided. And then you've got smaller ones. Again, double-sided. And then finally, we have cardstock stickers. So I used these when I remade the Christmas countdown. You've still got time to get that. December the 1st, still a couple of weeks away. But these are, well, they're not cardstock stickers, but they're like thick stickers. And they're great for adding to projects. So I'm going to go with gold reindeer. And I'm going to put him directly on. And I want another one of these because I thought they were fun before. Oversized. I mean, look at that in comparison to the reindeer. Okay, that's not the greatest look. Can I get my reindeer off? I can. That was not such the great look. This one, I think, is the most wonderful time of the year. It really is. When people say to me, Sam, what's your favourite season? Not that that's a particularly highly asked question, but when I am ever asked that question, I always say winter, specifically Christmas. It really is. I don't like the sunshine, so summer's not my bag. Spring can be okay, but yeah, winter, specifically Christmas. Right, I've got the wonderful gems. So these, if you've not seen them before, let me hope they focus. So the clear ones are clear epoxy with glitter encased in it. So that's why they're not all uniform. And then they're red with glitter. And I'm going to take the red ones to turn my holly berries into glittery holly berries. Because that would be wonderful in nature, wouldn't it? Wouldn't it? And then I'm just going to grab a gold one just to add there, just because it's pretty. That is an easy hanging decoration or table favour. What do you think? Hope you like them. Who's putting their Christmas tree up soon? 1st of December for me. Thank you ever so much for joining me. Hope to speak to you very soon. Bye.